The OPPO Find N6 is already the best foldable on the market, but how do its cameras stack up? In nice outdoor lighting, the primary lens eats. There are gorgeous colors and detail within the plants here, and you can still make out quite a lot of detail in the background despite the slight bokeh effect. We see the same thing here, plenty of detail, even down to the cobwebs in the corner of the door. And no, I'm not going to clean them. As soon as we start to zoom, you lose clarity. Take a look at the difference between the doorstops here. As soon as we move past those 3 times optical zoom, you can see the computational AI formulas taking over and smoothing out those rough edges. It is mostly evident when you take a look at the 120 times zoom. This has clearly been smoothed out in post. For a shot like this, it doesn't really matter, but you'll start to see some funky stuff happening, especially when you're photographing text, as, all Gen AI models are wont to do. Moving on to motion, we start to see the smaller sensor really struggle. I shot these using sports mode to give the Find N6 the best shot at capturing something. But as you can see, this is just a blurry mess. Motion is a consistent problem with cheaper phone cameras, so for a $3,299 phone, you really want to see better. Lastly, let's look at night mode. Since the sensor can't let in as much light as other phones, I didn't expect much from this, but at first glance, it doesn't look too bad. At a distance, you can see the detailed creases of the seat and some of the texture at the bottom of the guitar. But if you look a little bit closer, you'll notice the whole thing has just a bit of haze to it. All up, the OPPO Find N6 takes pretty good pictures, but the standard is closer to the top of a mid-range phone rather than a flagship. Considering the foldable form factor, I'd say OPPO is doing better than others in the category, but do you think it's worth over $3,000?